In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Adobe Acrobat notifications. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you already have a PDF open, that is fine. You can still access the settings from the main menu. On Windows, click Menu or Edit at the top of the screen, then choose Preferences. You can also press Ctrl+K on your keyboard to open the Preferences window quickly. On Mac, click Acrobat in the top menu, then choose Settings or Preferences. Once Preferences opens, look through the categories on the left side. Depending on your version of Acrobat, notification-related settings may appear in sections such as General, Documents, Security, Updater, or Adobe Online Services. Start with General. Look for options related to messages, tips, tutorials, recommendations, or in-app notifications. If you see settings for showing messages from Adobe, tooltips, promotional content, or onboarding suggestions, uncheck those options. Next, check any section related to updates. You may be able to adjust how Acrobat notifies you about updates. However, it is usually best to keep important security updates enabled because updates help protect your computer and documents. If you are still receiving notifications, they may be coming from your operating system instead of Acrobat itself. On Windows, open Settings, then go to System and choose Notifications. Scroll through the app list until you find Adobe Acrobat. Turn off notifications for Acrobat. On Mac, open System Settings, then go to Notifications, find Adobe Acrobat in the app list, click it, then turn off Allow Notifications. After changing these settings, close Adobe Acrobat and open it again. You should now see fewer pop-ups, alerts, tips, and system notifications. And that's how you turn off Adobe Acrobat notifications. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.